Today is day 3 of my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Let's see what I get today. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's the door for day 3. This one's on the bottom. Today we have Apricot Peach Spread. That sounds really good. This is what the Apricot Peach Spread looks like. It is a really nice orange color. It actually is like a pinkish orange. Let's taste it. It's an absolutely delicious blend of apricot and peach. One thing I have to say about Bonne Maman is that they always get the blend right. Sometimes if you buy something that combines flavors, one flavor is like way more overpowering than another flavor. But with Bonne Maman, you always get both flavors and it's always a really nice balance. So today I'm going to make some almond flour pancakes to eat with my fruit spread. So I have one of my winter mugs here. Isn't it cute? It says Hello Winter and it has a cat wearing earmuffs and a scarf. And I'm going to use it as a mixing bowl. The nice thing about using these Dash Mini appliances is that you don't need to use a large mixing bowl. You could use any kind of small bowl or large mug. And that's what I'm using today. So the first thing we're going to do is crack an egg into here. Then I'm going to beat the egg. Now I'm going to add some honey. Maybe like a teaspoon of honey. So I don't have an actual recipe for this for exact amounts or anything. These are just the ingredients that I always add, and it usually comes out good no matter how much or how little of anything that I add to it. Now I'm adding a heaping tablespoon of almond flour. I'm adding 2 heaping tablespoons of almond flour. So I just want to mix it until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm adding a little bit of baking soda, maybe like 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I also like to add just a pinch of cinnamon. And that's it. That is my almond flour batter. I actually think I'm going to add just a little bit more almond flour because it seems to be a little thin. You basically just want it to be the consistency of like a pancake batter, and this looks good. I just plugged in my Dash Mini Griddle. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then we are ready to start cooking our pancakes. I'm hoping to get 2 pancakes out of this batter. Okay, the blue light went off. Let's open this up and let's pour some batter in here. I'm going to shut this. And we'll be back in about 4 minutes. It's been about 2.5 minutes now. Let's see what's going on in here. So it looks like the pancake is done. Look how brown it got in the middle. I'm gonna grab a plate. That's what the other side looks like. So these are cooking much faster than I thought they would. Let's pour the rest of the batter in. And I'm only going to cook this next one for about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 1.5 minutes now. Let's see what's going on in here. That looks really good. I feel it to make sure that there are no like raw spots, and it feels like it's cooked for sure. And that's what the back looks like. It's nicely browned. These look so good. We have to remember that these are almond flour pancakes and not regular flour pancakes, so they will look a little bit different. And now I'm going to take my fruit spread and put it on the pancakes. That looks really good. Let's taste this. That is so good. This fruit spread is delicious. These pancakes are delicious. I want to make sure I get every last drop of the fruit spread out of the little jar. I'm going to stack these back up. It's kind of like having a little breakfast cake. So good. I am definitely going to be enjoying this today. And so that is day 3 for the Bonne Maman Advent Calendar 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else is in this Advent calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a happy holiday season.